How to verify and connect your account with LinkedIn on Freelancer. Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can verify and connect your account with LinkedIn on Freelancer. And how do you do so? The first step is to log in into your Freelancer account. Once you're logged in, move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and then a drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, ensure you select settings. So after selecting settings, you'll be taken to the settings page. Yeah, let's select it again. All right. So once you're on the settings page, you'll be brought to your profile details page automatically. Then once you're on this page, the next thing to do is move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar. So in this bar you can see trust and verification. So just select it. Now you'll be brought to this trust and verification page. So on this page you can see the definition of a trust call. So you can just read through it to know what it stands for. And then scroll down. Then you'll see the number of connection that has to be done on your account for it to be verified. And then you can see the one I have done, which are basically my email address and phone number. Then you can see LinkedIn. So just go ahead and click on connect, verify with LinkedIn. So after clicking on verify with LinkedIn, you'll be asked to provide your login details. All right. For me, I've entered in my login details already. That's why it brought me directly to this page. Okay. But for you, you'll be asked to, enter in your details and all of that. Ensure you enter it in. And then after that, you'll be brought to this page where you can see freelancer.com would like to use the primary email address associated with your LinkedIn account, use your name and photo, etc. Click on allow. And after clicking on allow, um, you will be redirected to freelancer.com trust and verification page where your current trust score would be automatically updated. As you can see, it is now showing verified. So that is basically how to go about it. It is so simple. Just ensure that you have your LinkedIn login details at hand, and then once it's time to enter your login details, ensure you provide it. Click on allow, and then just like that, your LinkedIn will be verified and connected with your freelancer account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.